Welcome to MiniOrange. MiniOrange's Bitbucket user provisioning products are the most successful on the Atlassian marketplace. So, in this video we have show you how to use Azure AD as a provider to allow SCIM provisioning in Bitbucket. Go to the Bitbucket dashboard. Click on Setting icon on the top right corner. Then scroll down. And click on Find New Apps. Go to Search tab and search SCIM. To download the plugin, click on Free Trial. Click on Accept and Install to agree with MiniOrange policy and terms of use. After successful installation, use the license key to activate the plugin. Your plugin has been installed successfully. You can view plugin settings using any of the ways. The first way is to click on Plugin. Then click on Configure. Then either way is. Scroll down and click on MiniOrange User Provisioning. In the Configuration tab, select Azure AD as an IDP. We will be covering the SCIM setup here. You can also go through the setup guide by clicking on Documentation. Select your IDP. You will get step-by-step instructions here. Now enter the app name of your choice. SCIM base URL and bearer token create a relationship between Bitbucket and Azure AD. We will require SCIM base URL and bearer token for the further configuration. Then click on Save Settings. Now click on Provisioning Operations. Enable these operations based on your requirements. Import users, update Bitbucket users, import users IDP groups, enable Bitbucket users, and disable Bitbucket users. Then click on Save Settings. If you face any issue related to the plugin, then check the Troubleshooting tab. Here you can download the log file as well as support zip files. Let's see how many users are present in your Bitbucket. Go back to MiniOrange plugin in Bitbucket. Click on Settings. Then click on Users. As we can see, no user has been added. Let's set up Azure AD SCIM configuration. Log into your Azure AD account. Click on Azure Active Directory. Then, click on Enterprise Applications. Now, click on New Application. Then, click on Create Your Own Application. Now enter the app name of your choice. Then click on Create button. Your application has been created successfully. Now, click on Provisioning. Then click on Get Started. Change the provisioning mode to Automatic. For the tenant URL, go back to Plugin, and click on Edit. Copy the SCIM base URL, and paste it in the tenant URL field. Similarly for secret token, copy bearer token, and paste it. Then click on Test Connection. Your connection testing is successful. Now, click on Save button to save the provisioning. Now, click on Users and Groups. And click on Add Users Groups. Then click on Users and Groups None selected. Select Users and Groups. Click on Select, then click on Assign. You can see the user has been assigned successfully. Navigate to Provisioning. Click on Start Provisioning. Your provisioning is scheduled to start. Navigate to View Provisioning Details. As we can see, the user provisioning cycle runs after 40 minutes. That means you can verify your user management in Bitbucket after 40 minutes. Go back to MiniOrange plugin in Bitbucket. Click on Settings. Then click on User. As we can see, the data of the Azure AD user has been synced successfully. MiniOrange provides best user provisioning solutions. Thanks for watching.